What happens every day when you quit sugar for 30 days? Whether your goal is to boost testosterone levels, reverse insulin resistance, or save money, quitting sugar can have significant benefits for your overall health. In this video, when we mention sugar, we are referring to all forms of added sugar or artificial sweeteners, excluding natural sugars found in dairy and fruits. Now, let's explore what happens to your body every day for up to 30 days after you eliminate sugar from your diet. Day 1. During the initial day of eliminating sugar, your body undergoes adjustments, which can lead to cravings for sweet foods and withdrawal symptoms like headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and irritability. Additionally, you might experience increased tiredness as your body adapts to utilizing alternative sources of energy. These sensations are normal as your system transitions away from sugar consumption. Day 2 to 3. On the second and third day, you may still experience sugar withdrawal symptoms as your body continues to adapt to a sugar-free lifestyle. Intense cravings for sweet foods, along with feelings of irritability, headaches, and mental fogginess, might persist. It's also common to encounter gastrointestinal issues like bloating, constipation, or diarrhea during this period. However, on a positive note, some individuals may start to feel increased energy levels and improved focus as their bodies adjust to being free from sugar. Day 4 to 7. From the 4th to the 7th day, you should notice an improvement in your energy levels. By this stage, cravings and headaches typically diminish, and most people begin to feel better overall. Your digestive system may have also adjusted to the sugar-free diet, resulting in a reduction of gastrointestinal symptoms. Additionally, your sleep quality is likely to improve, leaving you feeling more rested and rejuvenated in the mornings. Day 8 to 14. Around the age of 14, individuals may begin to witness weight loss as their bodies shift to burning fat for energy instead of relying on sugar. This transition can also lead to improvements in skin health, resulting in a clearer and healthier complexion. During the second week, your taste buds will adapt, and you might find that foods you previously didn't perceive as sweet now taste sweeter. Alongside these changes, your energy levels will continue to rise, and you may notice enhanced focus and concentration throughout the day. Day 15 to 21. As you reach days 15 to 21 of your sugar-free journey, you'll realize you're past the halfway mark and truly beginning to enjoy the rewards of quitting sugar. A positive shift in your mood and overall outlook may become evident, contributing to an increased sense of well-being. Improved sleep quality and a greater sense of refreshment upon waking up are common experiences during this third week. Most individuals report feeling more energized, focused, and mentally alert. Additionally, your immune system might receive a boost, resulting in a reduced frequency of colds and infections. However, it's important to note that some individuals may still encounter occasional cravings and should remain vigilant in avoiding sugary foods. Day 22 to 30. From days 22 to 30, which marks the final week of your sugar-free month, the remarkable benefits of quitting sugar become even more pronounced. During this period, you will experience improved mental clarity, allowing you to think more sharply and feel more focused. Your sleep quality will continue to enhance, leading to better rest and rejuvenation. Notably, you will observe a reduction in inflammation throughout your body, contributing to improved overall health. Furthermore, your metabolic health will improve, which includes increased sensitivity to insulin. This heightened insulin sensitivity is crucial as it helps decrease insulin resistance and can lead to elevated testosterone levels. As you progress through this week, you'll start to notice changes in your body composition, such as weight loss and a reduction in body fat percentage. Your energy levels will remain stable, without experiencing the same energy crashes as before. Your digestive system will also continue to improve, with better bowel movements, reduced bloating, and a greater feeling of satisfaction after meals. The cravings for sugar that once plagued you will significantly diminish, allowing you to enjoy a more balanced and fulfilling diet. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comments section down below, and feel free to stay safe and enjoy. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.